Today I have a really cool one. I'm with my buddy JD in his Hellcat Charger, and we're about to show you his custom push bar that was made by a local guy, Real Fab Works. Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Ryan with Hemifam, back again with another awesome video for you guys. Today I have a really cool one. I'm with my buddy JD in his Hellcat Charger, and we're about to show you his custom push bar that was made by a local guy, Real Fab Works. And this is one of one, guys. Custom made, and I think it's made out of chromoly, right? And it's basically raw metal with the welds. It's got an awesome color to it, so we are gonna go check that out and show that to you guys. Okay guys, here we are on location, and let's go ahead and check out this sweet push bar on this Hellcat Charger. Okay, there she is, and man, like I said guys, it looks really sweet. The color of, the chromoly, due to the heat from the welds, really sets it off. It kind of reminds me of that roadkill Hellcat that's kind of all pieced and patched together. Just a real kind of rugged, nasty vibe. But then, you look at the rest of the car and it's all shined up, blacked out, so it looks really good on here. And as you can see, the welds are really nice, and it just looks totally awesome, guys. And this is a one of one. He basically kind of went to him and said, hey look, this is my idea. You work with metal, let's do something crazy. And this is where it installs. There's brackets welded up there and underneath here with these heavy duty bolts. And one of the coolest parts is they even retained the SRT badge here with a kind of like a bracket, so you still get that nice push bar and let people know that, hey, this is a SRT. And back the down, guys. Stand down unless you want to get made a fool. But just look at the metal. It looks crazy in the sunlight, especially against the black paint here. So the guys from Real Fabworks did an awesome job on this. I know they are in the process of making a custom strut brace for this car too. So once that's done, we'll definitely show you guys that video as well. And another thing to note on this push bar install is the center grill here has totally been removed, guys. And even when the push bar wasn't on here, I think it looked really cool without that honeycomb in there. Kind of like an old Danko grill in a sense. This bottom grill has basically just been popped and pushed out. That is replaceable, but this top one has been modified, and it is not going back in there due to this sweet push bar, and it looks really good, guys. I think I have a picture of the pre-bar install I might toss in here so you guys can get an idea what it looked like. But awesome stuff here, guys. Well, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. This custom push bar on this Hellcat is really cool, and I think my favorite part about it is it's one of one. You can't go out and buy it anywhere. It's custom made by the gentleman at Real Fabworks, and it is just a really awesome addition on my buddy JD's Hellcat Charger. I will put a link to his Instagram down below, so be sure to follow him there. And if you like this video, give us a huge thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, turn the bell on for post notifications so you get notified as videos go live. And I can't thank each and every one of you out there. As always, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.